Hi everyone, my name is attorney Johan Confidente, real estate lawyer here in Punta Cana, and today I would like to share with you the 5 most common mistakes that you should avoid when purchasing a property in the Dominican Republic. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe and like this video. Also, click the notification button so you can receive more videos like this. You can also leave us your comments and questions so we can get back to you. The number one mistake on my list for today is purchasing a property without knowing the exact location of the property. This is something that you should never do. You should always confirm the exact location of the property before you buy it, because you might be looking for a property for vacation rental, you might be planning to retire in the Dominican Republic, and those are different criteria that the property has to meet. You have to confirm that the property is in line with your goals, and you can only do that by confirming the exact location. This is not the role of the agent. This is your role as investor. You should confirm the exact location before purchasing, before putting the offer or the reservation deposit. You should always confirm the exact location of the property. When it comes to real estate, we all know that location matters the most. And if you think that this was crazy enough, wait till you get the number 5 on my list. The second most common mistake is signing a contract without confirmation of clear title. That is a common practice when buyers are not assisted by an independent real estate lawyer. You should always make sure that before you sign a contract, you should get a due diligence report from your lawyer stating that this property is free and clear. You cannot rely on the developer's attorney to tell you that the property is free and clear. What do you think they're going to tell you? They will tell you that the property is free and clear. They have a property in the market. They have a property for sale, and you are a potential buyer. Therefore, you should always make sure that you go through those documents step by step, that you look at the document, the report of due diligence from your attorney, and make sure that the property is free and clear. And that is along with the verification of the contract. Make sure that this contract is vetted by your attorney, that this contract has been reviewed by your attorney, and this way you will not have to regret from signing a contract without having the due diligence report. The next one on my list is actually the third most common mistake, is committing to a payment plan without presenting it to your lawyer. You should always present your payment plan to your attorney before confirming it with the developer or the seller. And the reason to that is because the payment plan is crucial in the process, is key in the process, and you should make sure that your lawyer is aware that this is the payment plan that you would like to have. Especially if you're making any prompt payment, you should always have your lawyer to review everything for you before you say yes to the developer. The lawyer is going to bring some insights that will protect you, that will look after your best interests. The number 4 on my list is doing business with people just because they're nice. This is something that you should never do, because remember, this is business, and business is business. You should do business with people because they have the level of expertise that you need to protect your investment, to help you out, carry out the process of finding the best property for your money. You should never hire an attorney or hire a broker or real estate agent just because they're nice. You need to make sure that the people you will be working with has the necessary level of skills and expertise to look after your back, to make sure that you are protected at all time. And this is what you have to look for next time you're looking for a property in the Dominican Republic, and never focus only because they're nice. The number 5 on my list, and the scariest one, is signing legal documents without establishing the necessary level of contingencies that will allow you to withdraw from a contract that your counterparty is not complying with their obligations. Contingencies are windows that will allow you to legally withdraw from the contract if your counterparty is not respecting the terms of the contract, if your counterparty is not respecting the stipulations of the contract. And the reason why we have so many people signing documents without window, without the necessary level of contingencies, is because you have your broker, your realtors writing legal documents for you. And guess what? They don't have the necessary level of experience or legal skills to write legal documents. You should make sure that your lawyer, your independent lawyer, should be the one writing legal documents for you. And even worse, sometimes you have the lawyer of the developer writing legal documents that now you will sign. Guess what? They are paid by the developer. They will not protect your best interest. So you should make sure that before you sign any legal document, you should have it reviewed by your attorney and make sure that it has all the needed contingencies and windows for you to withdraw from a contract in the event that it does not protect your best interest, or in the event that your counterparty is not respecting the terms of the contract. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, I hope to see your comments and questions and look forward to seeing you in the Dominican Republic.